position of the right now, we played 5 matches. Our position is not that much favor like last year. And I know you people know the rules they bring. Only the difficulty is, one side I know IFA want to promote Bengal football players. But a professional, this is East Bengal and Mohun Bagan and Mohammedan is a professional football club. If Messi from Argentina, if Barcelona they come and grow up, then say Barcelona said why Argentinian player from in Spain. So don't think like that, because the problem happened, this kind of 6 players, 7 players, they happen for the like East Bengal and Mohun Bagan and Mohammedan Sporting. Those who are playing in Super League or I League. Because the main aim is to promote the players to the senior level. So if not promotion, if there is no chance, how they promote? So whatever, it is my opinion only. Whatever they are doing today, they conducting the tournament, fantastic. Okay.
Opposition makes a difference.
Don't say like that. Martin where he played. He played I-League. He never played ISL. And Ram Sangai where he played Real Kashmir. Okay. And
উৎসবে উপহারে নিত্য প্রয়োজনে শাড়ি ও রেডিমেড পোশাকের একমাত্র ঠিকানা রাজলক্ষ্মী হিন্দ মোটর স্টেশনের নিকটে।